Hello everybody, this is Rene. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator and I'm going to teach you a tutorial on double, triple, whatever you call it, stamping. It depends how many pieces of paper you're going to stamp onto. If there's two, it's a double one. If there's three, it's a triple one, and so forth. I started off by trimming my card down. My card is 5x5, and then I've gone down in 1/4 of an inch increments, and I've done my mat and layering. And then what you do is you remove the coloured card out of the way, and you leave these cards here. And then you lie your cards all up on top of each other, exactly the same as your mat and layering, and that's it. If you feel safer, you could actually tape it down so that it won't move, but I don't think that's going to be necessary. And then ink your stamp up, plenty of ink on there, and basically what we're going to do is hold the card down and we're going to stamp around the edge, and we're going to stamp all the way around the edge. Anywhere you want, no special way of doing it, and you just stamp through the 3 layers. So again, ink your stamp up, I love red, and I love the fact that the Stampin' Up does all the ink, the ribbons and everything match, and it really does make a difference to your cards. That one can go there. And that one can go there. Just off the page. And then just one small do. So that's all around the page I've done. You can do anywhere, you can do down the side, you can just do across the top. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to stamp a little sentiment in the middle. Yep. There we go. There we go. That will go. Then what you do, take your cards apart and put the mat and layering back in together. There we go. And that one goes on. I'm sure you're getting the idea by now. And then this one goes on. And then that one goes on. There we go. What do you think of that? And then all you do is, you're happy with that, you put your tape all the way around them. If you want to put a ribbon on, obviously put your ribbon on before you stick the bottom layer on. And then, hi guys, so here's my card all glued together. I do hope you like this technique, and I do hope you'll give it a go.